everyone, and welcome to another apartment tour brought to you by Linker Rooms. Now, this big apartment building behind me comes with a number of rooms, 1-bedroom apartments, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, but it also has a general pool for its residents and 2 gyms. These apartments are going through the last stages of construction, but we want to take you through the 1-bedroom apartment so you can have a general look of how these apartments may look like. Now, to give you guys a quick look of this 1-bedroom apartment, it is going up for rent for $2,500 a month. This is the living area that is conjoined with the open kitchen, 2 seats for having your breakfast or dinner, whatnot. Going on further here, you get to see a very nice and spacious bathroom that comes with a shower, toilet, washing machine, sink, beautiful mirror. And lastly is this 1-bedroom right here that comes with a closet and this beautiful ocean view. You get to sit by the balcony and just enjoy yourself just for $2,500 a month.